Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Farahat Ali and you are watching Dr. Square. In this particular video, we will learn that how we can activate SPSS 29 version software in our laptop or desktop if we have the license key. Many people asked us through email, WhatsApp that they have the license key but they do not know that how they can activate SPSS 29 version in their laptop or desktop. So this video is for you. Moreover, if you want to learn that how you can activate SPSS 29th version through your IBM ID, then the link of that video will be available under the description and you can also see on the screen as well. You can learn that if you have IBM ID, then how you can activate SPSS 29 for 30 days. So in this video, we will learn that how you can activate complete license for 1 year in your laptop or desktop for SPSS 29. Moreover, if you need any kind of help, if you want to apply for a new license and you do not know that how you can apply but to the company, you can email us or WhatsApp us. We will reply you within 24 hours. If you need the consultation, guidance related to your thesis, that how you can apply different analysis for your thesis dissertation, you can email or WhatsApp us. We will reply you within 24 hours and let's start this video. So I have a copy of SPSS 29 here. I'm going to open it and here we are going to install this software and you will see that here I'm going to install this software. So this is SPSS 29. I'm going to install this software in my laptop and at the end of the installation process, we will see that how we can activate SPSS 29 in our laptop or desktop. So if you want to activate SPSS 29th version to IBM ID and you need the guidance, the link will be available under the description. We have already made a video. You can go to that video. You can watch that how you can apply to IBM company for 30-day trial and how you can activate your IBM ID. In this video, we will see that how we can activate licensed version of SPSS 29. I'm going to install this software and at the end of the software installation process, you will see a message that you enter the license key and you can activate your IBM SPSS software to a proper license key. So let's wait and so you will see this message when the installation will be completed and I'm going to click on the finish button now. When I will click on this option, a window will appear in front of me and it will ask me to provide the license key. So if you have the license, you can mention that license in authorization option, and if you have attached with your organization, then you can choose the concurrent license option. So here license wizard option will be opened and it will first ask me that we do not have a license key, and then later on we can go for different option. So launch license wizard, you have to click on this option and I'm going to click on this one. IBM SPSS license wizard will be appeared and here I have to mention the next button. I'm going to mention my code here. So I have mentioned my code here. I have to click on the add button. The code will be entered. So I'm going to click on the add button right now. Okay, so the code has been entered. Now I have to click on the next button here. Now I have to see the installation has been completed through, and you need internet access for the activation of SPSS 29 license key, and then you have to click on the next button. No need to have the internet connection after the complete installation of your software, and then you have to click on the finish button and it will ask you to restart. Click on the restart button and now SPSS 29th version has been installed with the license key. As you can see, this is the layout of SPSS 29. Variable view, data view and overview. This overview button is available in SPSS 29. So this is the procedure to activate SPSS 29. I hope you have liked this video. If you need any kind of guidance related to application of license to the company, if you need guidance related to the activation of IBM ID and you are stuck with the blank screen, you can contact us through our email ID. You can WhatsApp us. We will reply you within 24 hours. Thank you for watching. Keep sharing the video. Like the video. Bye.